Welcome to Guaranty RV. My name is Kirk Blair, Captain Kirk. I'm going to show you this 2020 Heartland 378 Torque fifth wheel toy hauler. It's actually a pretty good size unit. It's got a lot of great features to it. It's got a nice front bedroom, lots of sleeping, lots of room, lots of storage. This is a brand new piece of inventory here at Guaranty RV. We have a generator on board, an outdoor shower, and a lot of our hookups are on this side, but let's go around the other side. I want to show you a couple nice outdoor features. Front pass-through bay, lots of storage, outdoor speakers. It's got a nice entertaining area out here I want to show you. Magnetized, so you just flip that up. You got a mini fridge outside, a nice little cooktop, and a little TV and a little storage area. Good for entertaining, hanging out. You can have food, whatever you want outside. Slam latches I like. Just pop them down, slam it shut. It's awesome. Nice sturdy step going in. This thing is also a double axle with a rear entry, which is pretty nice and handy that way. That way you can get it in just the garage, or if you had company they could use vice versa. Let's go ahead and inside and take a look at it. So right when you come in, you kind of got your kitchen, your seating area. You kind of got your hangout. We'll kind of walk through the back to the front here. It's got a garage back here. As you can see, there's a doorway you walk in. You got a garage, a lot of storage space here. You can put your four-seater side-by-side in here. This has this right here. It's pretty awesome. I don't have enough room here, but this opens up. There's a ramp door, and this is a railing that goes around the outside. Kids, dogs, make an entertaining area that much more length. And above us right here is two couches that come down and a bed. And there's also, this guy here has a loft. There's a ladder that goes to this here. You can have a loft up top, which is pretty cool. So a little storage area. A kid could sleep up there, whatever you want. Washer, dryer hookups, TV hookups. You can make this an entertaining area, whatever you want. Let's kind of make our way through the living area here. Big fridge, nice big living area, kitchen, lots of counter space, lots of storage, pantries. Toy haulers and toy haulers of this size, you also anticipate more people, more mouths, more food, lots of good storage. There's neat little bar stools here behind this that fold out. Nice fold away. And you have a nice sturdy bar stool to sit on here. Pretty neat. That way they just tuck out of the way and they can be here to eat and entertain. As you make your way up to the front, you have all your power and all your supplies there to run all your command center. In your bathroom, has a Jack and Jill door to it, so you can get to it from the master bedroom or here, your tub. And as you kind of make your way into the bedroom, you have this awesome bed that slides out of the way, and so that way it kind of tucks up like that to give you a bedroom and then lays back flat so you actually have your bed. Lots of closet space in this guy, really nice that way. Dual AC, I believe. This unit or anything else here at Guaranty RV, I'm happy to show you. My name is Kirk Blair, Captain Kirk. Just ask for me on any lot. My cell phone is 541-601-8742. Looking forward to helping you find your adventure rig.